Vaseline and lemon. Look 10 years younger. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel and please kindly subscribe. Today we're diving into a popular DIY skincare hack that promises to make you look 10 years younger using just Vaseline and lemon. I know what you're thinking. Vaseline? Lemon? On your face? Trust me on this, guys. This simple combination can work wonders for your skin. We're going to break down the benefits of each ingredient, show you how to make the mask, and give you all the tips you need to achieve a youthful, radiant glow. Let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about Vaseline. It's a classic for a reason, right? It's like this miracle worker that creates a protective barrier on your skin. What this does is it actually locks in all that precious moisture, you know? And you know me, I'm all about that hydration. It's especially amazing for those of you with dry or flaky skin because it just softens and smooths everything out. We're talking baby soft skin, you guys. And the best part? It helps prevent water loss, so your skin stays plump and hydrated for longer. Now let's move on to the star ingredient, lemon. Lemons are like little bursts of sunshine and they're packed with vitamin C. And you know what vitamin C does? It brightens your skin and helps fade those pesky dark spots. It's like magic. Plus, lemon juice has this natural exfoliating power thanks to its citric acid. So it gently gets rid of all the dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. It's like a mini facial at home. DIY time, the Vaseline and lemon mask. This is a simple yet effective way to give your skin some extra love and care and look 10 years younger. Alright, are you ready to make the magic happen? Let's dive into this fun and easy skincare recipe. Here's what you'll need for this super easy mask: 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Vaseline is great for locking in moisture and creating a protective barrier on your skin, and half a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C and has natural brightening properties. That's it! Now grab a small bowl and mix the Vaseline and lemon juice together until they're completely combined. Make sure the mixture is smooth and well blended. Wash your face and make sure your face is thoroughly clean. Then, on a dry face, apply a thin layer of Vaseline with lemon juice and spread over the entire face and neck. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off thoroughly with lukewarm water. Enjoy the refreshing and soothing sensation as you rinse. Pat your skin dry and follow up with your favorite gentle moisturizer. Your skin will feel soft, hydrated, and rejuvenated. Enjoy your glowing complexion. Do you want to look 10 years younger? There is no need to buy anti-aging creams, since this solution is much cheaper and simpler. Here's the secret solution to smooth, well-hydrated skin. Use this mask regularly 2 times a week and you will recognize yourself 10 years ago. Safety first. Precautions and tips. Before you rush off to try this mask, let's talk about some important precautions. It's crucial to ensure that your skin remains healthy and safe while you enjoy the benefits of this skincare routine. First things first, always do a patch test, especially when using lemon juice. This simple step can save you from potential skin irritations or allergic reactions. Apply a small amount of the mixture to your inner arm and wait 24 hours to see if you have any reactions. If you notice any redness, itching, or discomfort, it's best to avoid using the mask. And listen, because this is super important, avoid sun exposure after using this mask. The ingredients can make your skin more vulnerable to UV rays. Lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so sunscreen is your best friend. Always apply a generous amount of sunscreen before stepping out. Also, if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin, lemon juice might be too harsh for you. Consider consulting with a dermatologist before incorporating it into your routine. And finally, don't overdo it. Moderation is key to maintaining healthy skin. Use this mask once or twice a week max to avoid over-exfoliating your skin. Overuse can lead to dryness and irritation, which we definitely want to avoid. Beyond the mask, more youthful skin tips. Now, this mask is amazing, but you know me, I'm all about a holistic approach to skincare. It's not just about what you put on your skin, but also how you treat your body and mind. So here are some extra tips to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. These tips will help you glow from the inside out. Hydration is key, my friends. Drinking enough water helps to keep your skin plump and hydrated. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water and using a good moisturizer every single day. This helps to lock in moisture and keep your skin soft and supple. Exfoliation is also crucial for removing those dead skin cells and revealing brighter skin. But be gentle. Over-exfoliating can cause irritation and damage. And don't forget about your diet. What you eat has a direct impact on your skin's health. What you eat shows up on your skin, so load up on fruits, veggies, and foods rich in antioxidants. These nutrients help to fight off free radicals and keep your skin looking youthful. And last but not least, get enough sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Beauty sleep is real, you guys. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night to wake up with refreshed and rejuvenated skin. Outro: embrace your natural glow. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to incorporate Vaseline and lemon into your skincare routine to help you look 10 years younger. Remember to always patch test and use sunscreen. This mask is a great way to boost your glow, but true radiance comes from within. So drink your water, eat your greens, get some rest, and don't forget to smile. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips. See you next time.